Hello and welcome to Zimstek Media. In other stories, Mavis Java Madzivanzira, a sister to Prophet Passion Java, has been sentenced to 5 years in prison after being convicted of fraud involving $120,000 United States dollars. The court found her guilty of orchestrating the scheme, bringing an end to a case that has drawn significant public attention. Mavis is a former employee of the City Council of Harare. Last year, she was dragged in court again for $75,000 United States dollars fraud by a complainant who was looking for a residential stand to buy in and around Harare. It is said that Madzivanzira, together with the accomplice, got the information and offered the complainant a stand number 877 in Queenington Township, Harare. They allegedly used the fraudulent documents which they claimed were from the city of Harare and charged the complainant to $75,000 United States dollars. The offense came to light when the complainant approached the city of Harare for plan approval and was told that the stand was not a property of the city of Harare but was privately owned. For more stories, please do like and subscribe.